Many recipes claim to help you lose weight and get rid of belly fat. Today, you will learn about a special juice detox. This recipe for a juice detox is highly effective for weight loss. Here is how each of the ingredients will assist you in losing weight. 1. Cucumber. Cucumber works as a natural diuretic to remove extra fluid from the body. 2. Ginger. Ginger boosts metabolism and helps in the removal of toxins from the body. It is a strong addition to recipes for rapid weight loss. 3. Mint. Mint's ability to fight inflammation is vital. 4. Lemon. Lemon helps balance the pH of our bodies. Consider the following recipe. Ingredients. 12 fresh mint leaves. 2 liters of purified water. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. 1 fresh lemon cut into thin slices. 1 medium cucumber, peeled and cut into thin slices. When making this dish, try using organic products. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in a jar and place them in the refrigerator. Allow it to sit for 24 hours. Drink a glass of this wonderful mixture half an hour before each of the 3 main daily meals. Make only as much as you'll consume daily. You can drink this beverage for 30 days straight. Take a 2-week break before starting the cycle again. This drink can help you lose weight, boosts your immune system, and strengthens your body. It also gets rid of toxins. People with hypertension should avoid using this dish since it contains ginger. Combine this drink with a healthy diet and regular exercise. You won't believe how fast its effects can work. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.